Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Ozu Payment Acquire in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application integrates the Ozu payment gateway into your Odoo platform, making direct debit payment fast, secure, and hassle-free. It supports both one-time and recurring payments, helping businesses streamline payment collection and improve cash flow. With automated processing and real-time synchronization in Odoo, it reduces manual error, enhances accuracy, and boosts overall efficiency in managing customer transactions. So, first of all, we will go into the website. Here, under Configuration, we will find the menu for Payment Provider. Open that, and here you can see a payment provider named Ozu. Here you can see the Ozu as your payment provider. Change the state to Enable. And under credentials, add your credentials like API endpoint, API key, site code, and private key. After this, you can see under messages, you can write or edit the messages like pending message, done message, or cancelled message as you like. Now, under site, we will go into the home page. We will go into the shop in here. And we will add our product to the cart. Here, click on Add to Cart, and you can see your product is added to cart. Here you can see the quantity is 2 because the one of acoustic block was already in your cart. So the quantity has become 2. Now, click on Checkout button, and you can see the delivery method, standard delivery method. After this, click on Confirm. And here you will find the payment method named Ozu. Select that payment method and click on Pay Now. Now you can see that you will be redirected to the Ozu. Here you can see the amount and everything. Now click on Test Successful Response, and you can see that your payment is successfully processed. Here you can see the amount and reference. Here you can see that your payment is successful, and you will redirected to the thank you page. You can see the sale order number and all the payment information under that. Now, under configuration, we will find a menu for payment transaction. Open that, and here you can see the transaction we just created. Here you can see the reference, the payment, the amount, the payment method, payment provider, and every single little detail in here. Now you can see that this payment transaction is in confirmed state, and you can also find a smart button for sale order. Open that, and here you will be redirected to the sale order which is created from your transaction. You can see sale order number 1 is created. You can see the customer, product, and in the chatter you can see every little detail in here. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.